This is an instructional video on how to download the Nairobi Farmer app and use it to fill and submit your urban farming data to the Mazingira Institute Urban Agriculture and Food System database. The Nairobi Farmer is an app developed by Mazingira Institute. It asks farmers questions about themselves and their farming. The data is collected from Mazingira's online database, which shows the food system in Nairobi. Go to the Google Play Store. Search for the Nairobi Farmer. Make sure to use uppercase for each word. When the results come up, press the app in the list. This will take you to the app's page. Press Install to download the app to your phone. Wait for the app to download. When the download is complete, press Open. This will take you to the app. You will see the login page when you open the app. Press the button that says Sign Up. This will take you to a page that asks for your name and your phone number. Enter your full name and mobile number. Do not leave a space after your name. This will cause an error and will not let you sign up. You will receive a verification code to the mobile number you used when signing up. Enter the 4 digits in the boxes, then press the Go button on the keypad. If you didn't get an SMS with the verification code, you can press the Resend button to get another code. You will get a verification code each time you log into the app. If you already have an account, you can log into the app using your phone number. This is the same phone number you used to create your account. Selecting Remember Me will save your phone number next time you log in. Once you have entered your mobile number, press the Login button. The Nairobi Farmer app has 3 steps. You must complete all 3 steps to qualify for Mazingira Institute's Gender, Urban Agriculture and Food System training. In Step 1, you will create your producer profile. Your name and phone are present from sign up. Select your gender and your age group from the list. Then choose if you are single, married, separated or widowed. Indicate if you are the head of your household. For education levels, post-secondary includes all degrees, diplomas and certificates. The question about your occupation asks for your work schedule or arrangement. You can farm by yourself, with your family or with a group. Since the boxes are square-shaped, you can select more than one answer for this question. Do you own any land, farm animals, cars or trucks, motorcycles or bicycles? Your household income is the total amount of money everyone makes together. Please select Nairobi as your county. Then choose your sub-county and your ward from the list. You can submit without uploading photos. The app talks about crop, livestock and fishery production. Crop production includes the growing and managing of vegetables, fruits, herbs and spices, and legumes. Livestock production includes the rearing and managing of poultry, goats or sheep, cattle, rabbits, and pigs. Fishery production involves keeping and managing fish. In step 2, you will give details about your farm. Press the Add Farm button at the bottom. If you have more than one farm, you need to add each one separately. If you have more than one farm, answer yes to the question, do you practice production in more than one place? You will have to come back to step 2 and fill out details for each of your farms. Choose which county, sub-county and ward your farm is in. Then type in the name of the farm. Choose the type of farming you do. You can select more than one answer. Do you farm on your own land? Do you rent land? Or do you farm on public land? Look through the list and choose where you do your farming. You must answer if you have permission to farm on that land and if you have a written or verbal agreement. If you rent land, you must also answer how much you pay per month and how long you will rent for. Then you must answer where you get your water for farming. You can keep going without uploading any pictures of your farm. You will need to map your farm's location. First, make sure you are standing in your farm. Then, turn on your smartphone's GPS. For the question, how do you want to map your farm? There is only one option that says center of the farm. Please move to the middle of your farming area. Press the button that says Record Location. If you did not turn on your GPS earlier, you will be asked if the Nairobi Farmer can know your device's location. Select while using the app. When the small numbers at the bottom stop changing, the app is finished recording and you can press Submit. In step 3, you will give details about what you are farming. After pressing step 3 from the main page, you will be taken to another page. Press the green button on the bottom that says Add Production. First, you must select your farm from the list. Remember, if you have more than one farm, you must add each farm by answering the questions from step 2. Choose whether you are doing crop farming, livestock farming, or fishery farming. The questions for livestock and fishery farming will be different from crop farming, but they will follow the same pattern. You will be asked whether you use fertilizer. Make sure to answer if it is chemical or organic. And if it is compost or manure, or both. An agro-vet is a certified store that supplies farmers with farming supplies and services. Being certified means that it is recognized for having the right qualifications. Local shops and vendors may also sell farming goods, but they are not certified. You can also produce your own fertilizer. Sourcing your seeds formally means you buy them from a certified agro-vet. Sourcing them informally means you buy them from local shops or other local farmers. Sourcing your own seeds means you are using the ones you saved from a harvest. A seedling is a young plant that has started coming out of a seed. When asked where you source your seedlings, do you buy them from vendors? Do you receive them from donations, or do you make your own from seeds? For crop farming, you will be asked about the types of crops you grow. This includes different varieties of vegetables, fruits, legumes or herbs and spices. For livestock farming, you will be asked about the types of livestock you keep. If you are a crop farmer, you will be asked about your growing methods. There are several methods of growing crops. In-ground growing, raised bed growing, container growing, enclosed space growing, hydroponics, vertical growing. Please choose which of the methods you use to grow your crops. You can select more than one answer for this question. For each type of crop, you will be asked what quantity you produce. This could mean how many kilograms of crops you produce each time you harvest, or how many you produce in a week or month. You must also answer how often you harvest your crops. You will also be asked if you eat what you produce. Write down in kilograms how much your household eats from the crops you farmed. You will then be asked if you donate your crops and how many kilograms you donate if you do. Next, you will be asked if you sell your vegetables. Write down in kilograms how much you sell. This can be how much you sell after a harvest, how much you sell after a day, week, or month. When asked how you distribute the vegetables you sell, select direct if you are the one selling to your customers. If you supply to other shops or sellers who then sell to customers, choose indirect. You will be asked about the monthly average income from selling. Tell us how much money you made each month from selling your products. Answer if you get any waste from your farming. If you say yes, then you must say how you use it. You can proceed without including any photos of your production. Submit when you are finished. A notification at the top of the screen will tell you if your upload was successful. You will be taken back to the My Production page in step 3.